Impact Shopify theme is rich in customization options. In this video, I'm going to walk you through customizing some of the basic elements of this theme. All themes on the Shopify theme store come with an unlimited free trial. You can play around with it as long as you want and only need to pay when you publish the theme on your store. Step 1. Adding the theme. To get started, head over to the Shopify theme store and find the Impact theme. Click on Try Theme. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. It'll take a second for the theme to be added to your library. Once it's there, you'll see it listed as your recently added theme. Just click Customize to start editing and make it your own. Step 2. Exploring the theme editor. This is where the magic happens. You can customize everything here, from the homepage and product pages to collections, checkouts, FAQs, blogs, you name it. Let's start with the homepage. On the left side menu, you'll see all the sections you can tweak: header, pop-ups, slideshows, collections, featured products, and more. On the right side of the editor, you'll find all the customization options. This is where you can add your logo, change colors, fonts, and other elements to match your brand's unique style. Step 3. Let's begin customizing the header. First, let's tackle the announcement bar. On the left side, you can edit the existing message or create a new one. On the right side, you have options to change the color, how it moves, make it stick to the top of the page, or even add your own custom CSS code if you want to get fancy. To change the message, just click on it and edit it in the menu on the right. You can add multiple messages and hide or show them by clicking the eye icon. I'm going to change the color to match my brand and tweak it a bit. Next, let's move on to the header itself. You can add a mega menu or even custom sections with code if you want. On the right, you can change your logo, colors, and lots of other elements to your liking. Here, I'll edit some of the elements so you'll know how to work with this section. Now let's tackle that big slider. Here's the place that captures the eye of the customer, so you should bring out the best you got. You can add images to it, change the background, adjust colors, position, and more. You can also add other blocks with your images or even embed a video to further showcase the details of your products. I'll demonstrate how to edit this section. Step 4. Customizing the featured collection. Next, let's move on to the featured collection section. It's a great way to showcase specific products or groups of products that you want to highlight. To add products to this section, just click on Select Collection or Select Product, and then select the products or collections you want to feature by checking the boxes next to them. You can add up to 50 products in this section. Don't forget to customize the heading add a subheading, and write some compelling content to guide visitors to your products and encourage them to buy. This is your chance to really showcase what makes your products special and entice customers to explore further. Step 5. Add sections to your homepage. If you want to add more sections to your homepage, just scroll down to the bottom of the left-hand menu and click Add Section. This gives you a bunch of options. You can choose from pre-designed section templates, or you can even add your own code to create a totally custom section. Here's just a short guide to customize the Impact theme. You can continue exploring and playing around with the other sections to create a homepage that's perfect for your store. Have fun with it.